Upgrading your home is always a meaningful investment, but some improvements deliver far more value than others. One of the smartest upgrades homeowners in Des Allemands can make is installing energy-efficient windows. With the region's warm, humid climate and occasional storms, these modern window solutions offer a range of practical and financial benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Lower energy bills year-round. One of the most immediate advantages of energy-efficient windows is reduced energy consumption. In Des Allemands, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year, traditional windows often allow cool air to escape and heat to seep in. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation features such as double or triple panes, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills between glass layers. These features help maintain indoor temperatures, meaning your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. Over time, this can lead to noticeable savings on your monthly utility bills. Improved indoor comfort drafts, hot spots, and inconsistent temperatures can make your home uncomfortable, especially during Louisiana's peak summer heat. Energy-efficient windows create a more stable indoor environment by reducing heat transfer. Whether you're relaxing in your living room or working from home, you'll enjoy a more consistent and comfortable temperature throughout your space. Plus, many homeowners notice fewer cold drafts during cooler months, making these windows beneficial year-round. Enhanced protection from UV rays. Des Allemands homeowners know how intense the sun can be. Energy-efficient windows often include coatings that block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. This not only protects your skin but also prevents fading and damage to furniture, flooring, curtains, and artwork. By preserving your home's interior, you can avoid the cost of replacing sun-damaged items and maintain your home's appearance longer. Reduced noise pollution. Living near busy roads or active neighborhoods can sometimes bring unwanted noise. Energy-efficient windows provide an added layer of sound insulation thanks to their multi-pane construction and tighter seals. This can significantly reduce outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment, something many homeowners truly appreciate after making the switch. Increased home value and curb appeal. Installing energy-efficient windows is an upgrade that appeals to future buyers. Today's homebuyers are increasingly focused on energy savings and sustainability. New windows not only enhance your home's exterior appearance but also serve as a strong selling point if you decide to put your property on the market. In many cases, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the installation cost through increased property value. Better environmental impact. Reducing your home's energy consumption doesn't just save money, it also helps the environment. By using less electricity for cooling and heating, you lower your carbon footprint. For homeowners in Des Allemands who care about sustainability, energy-efficient windows are a simple yet impactful way to contribute to a greener future. Improved durability and weather resistance. Louisiana weather can be unpredictable, with high humidity, heavy rains, and occasional storms. Energy-efficient windows are often built with stronger materials and better sealing technology, making them more resistant to moisture infiltration and weather-related damage. This durability means fewer repairs and longer-lasting performance compared to older window models. Potential tax credits and incentives. Depending on current programs, homeowners may qualify for tax credits or rebates when installing energy-efficient upgrades. While availability can vary, these incentives can help offset the initial cost and make the investment even more attractive. A smart investment for long-term living. Ultimately, energy-efficient windows offer a combination of comfort, savings, and peace of mind. They address common challenges faced by homeowners in Des Allemands: heat, humidity, noise, and energy costs, while adding long-term value to your property. If you're considering ways to improve your home, upgrading your windows is a practical step that delivers benefits you'll notice every day.